My name is Akila, and at the moment I am trying to give more information about business English vocabulary. Let's go. Business English vocabulary is a group of words we use when we talk about job, companies, money, and work. These words help people understand each other at work, in meeting, and in emails. Ya'ni business English so'zlari bu ish, kompaniya, pul va ofis haqida gapirganda ishlatiladigan so'zlar. Ular ish joyida odamlar bir-birini tushunishi uchun kerak bo'ladi. And turn to general business terms. Use the right words for the right business situation. These words help you talk clearly about money, people, work, and plans in the company. Umumiy biznes atamalari bu har bir biznes holatiga mos so'zni ishlatish sanaladi. Bu so'zlar sizga kompaniyada pul, odamlar, ish va rejalar haqida aniq va tushunarli gapirishga yordam beradi. For examples to general business terms, first of all, use profit, use budget, use customer, and use employee. Ya'ni profit so'zini pul topish haqida gapirganda ishlating. Ikkinchi, budjet so'zini pulni rejalashtirish haqida gapirganda ishlating. Customer so'zini esa sizdan biror narsa sotib oladigan odamlar haqida gapirganda ishlating. Employee so'zini kompaniyada ishlaydigan ishchilar haqida gapirganda ishlating. This table covered English business vocabulary words. In conclusion, English business vocabulary helps people talk clearly about work, money, and companies. It includes important words used in offices, meetings, and business deal. Xulosa qilib aytganda, inglizcha biznes lug'ati bu ish, pul va kompaniyalar haqida aniq va tushunarli gapirishga yordam beradigan so'zlardir. U ofis yig'ilishlari, biznes kelishuvlarida ishlatiladigan muhim atamalarni o'z ichiga oladi. Bu so'zlarni bilish muloqotni osonroq va professionalroq qiladi. I tried to explain clearly. Thanks for watching.